Let me be honest, I used to plan my weeks like movies. Monday, I'll wake up early, study for 8 hours, do my workouts. And guess what? I've already failed by Wednesday. But I did something wild. I introduced a AI accountability partner who would keep me in check. In this video, I'll give you tips to make your own AI accountability partner who never sleeps, who never judges, but would keep you accountable. Stay till the end to know how to do that. We all know this problem. Everyone wants to be consistent. But when motivation fades away, you lack in being consistent. When you have AI accountability partner to help you in this process, you would stay consistent even when the motivation fades away. This accountability partner is just not a chatbot. He's your friend, he's your guide, he's your mentor. Before we jump into the setup, if you're liking what I do here, feel free to click that subscribe button and hit that like button. I would be making one perfect video every week which is filled with value that you would like, and you do not want to miss the next one. So feel free to click that subscribe button. The brain behind it. Your AI accountability partner has 3 layers. Layer 1, the mind. It could be ChatGPT or Claude. Some GPT which is powerful enough to understand your problems in a deep manner. It understands your goals, your struggles, and it would give you advice. And I'll be pasting prompt in the description which you could use to activate ChatGPT to be your AI accountability partner. And layer 2 is memory keeping. It could be Google Sheets or Notion, where you would track your habits and feed it into the ChatGPT, which would act as your accountability partner who knows what were your mistakes in the past. And now AI would rate your habits and would reply to give you better outputs. And layer 3 is chat automation. You could connect your AI with chat on WhatsApp or Telegram, which would automatically give you alerts what you have to do at what time. You could use apps like Chatbase or Flowwise to do this process. Step-by-step setup. Go to ChatGPT. Paste this prompt that I have given in the description as prompt 2. Now pin that chat. That's your new daily check-in space. Step 2. Track data automatically. Make a Notion table which has data, tasks done, where you have failed, where you have done great. Use apps like Zapier to send this information to ChatGPT. Your AI would analyze all of that data and would give you response which is curated to you. Nobody is doing it right. You're chatting with AI, feeding it your data which is real-time data. Step 3. Daily reminders. Use make.com to get everyday reminders. For example, I'll get text like, "Hey Tarun, it's 9 a.m. You have to start studying." And that kind of automated text would give you a push to do the work that you have been procrastinating. And if you stay till now, you have more attention span than 90% of the people on the internet. And for that, I would give you a reward. Comment down, I'm building my AI partner, and I would give you prompts which I use to make better AI partner. Now, part 4, the hidden power. Most people would use AI like calculator, use it once, throw it away. But the main power lies in using it like a partner. You have to train it. Feed in your weekly reflections. This week I got distracted by Wednesday. This week I got distracted by Friday. This person called me, I got distracted. So that AI would curate everything around you to make you focused. The custom prompts in ChatGPT, you can even have a personality like Gary Vee or Tony Robbins guiding you through all this process. And how I use AI accountability partner in my daily life. Every night at 9:30 p.m. AI would text me and I would feed in what happened throughout that day, where I got distracted and where I didn't. And it records the answers. And it would curate my plan accordingly so that I don't get distracted the next morning. But suppose if I lost focus at 4 p.m., I would feed it in. And AI would make a plan where it would stop my notifications so that I would be focused at 4 p.m. so that I could continue studying till 6 p.m. And it's a real accountability. It wouldn't judge, no guilt, just pure progress. And here are bonus tips. Want to make your AI more powerful? do this. You could use voice check-ins with 11 Labs or Speechify. You could mood track with Connect Static app or mood flow with Notion. Your AI would learn when are you stressed or when are you happy. Add visual dashboards with Notion AI where you could track your progress. So now you have your own AI accountability partner. But you might have always wanted to know what AI experts think about AI skills that you need to learn. I got you. I made a video with 4 AI experts who tell you skills that you need to learn. I've pinned it right here. Go check it out. I'll see you right there.